Hi all, I just want to share a little time-saving method I have when it comes to helping with the buddy check. It is time-consuming going into StrongMind, opening each work sample to check and see how it is. So credit for this comes from my buddy. I just refined it a little bit. So what I do is I make a folder for each work or each learning period for buddy check. Then what I'll do is when I'm downloading my scholars work samples, because I have an individual folder for each family and then each scholar, I will copy it. So this is from learning period 6. So I'm going to make a copy. It'll come right up to the top. Then I take that copy and I move it to the learning period folder for whichever one I'm using right now. So learning period 6. So I come over here. Back to my drive, I go down to LP6 for buddy check, and I just move it there. So to show you, like learning period 5, I have everybody in here. So my buddy just has to come in here, click on the first picture, and then she can check or he can check for all the parts that need to be there, rather than opening and closing in StrongMind. That way, when you go into StrongMind, the only thing you have to do is check to see that the samples are actually there. Because in here, you already know what they look like. So I hope you find that helpful and maybe make life easier for everyone.